Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful hat. That's very easy and it has beautiful texture at the body. You can see that. And it's made by only 2 rounds. I made this hat for child size and I used a worsted weight yarn and a 4.5 millimeters hook for the brim of the hat. And 5 millimeters for the body of the hat. If you're ready, let's get started. We should start this hat from the brim and start the hat from the bottom to up. So with smaller hook, make 1 slip knot and then make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you want to have a folded brim or have a higher brim, you can add more chains. Now skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet into second chain from the hook. Again 1 single crochet into the next chain and 1 single crochet into the next, and repeat this work and make single crochet into each chain across. And now I have 9 single crochets in total in first row. For beginning next row, make 1 chain and turn the work. In this row, we can make all of single crochets into back loop of each stitch, but the first stitch and the last stitch are different because we want to have a pretty edge on the forehead. So make the first single crochet under both loops, not into back loop only, okay? Insert the hook under both loops of first stitch and make 1 single crochet. And for next middle stitches, make 1 back loop only single crochet, okay? Insert the hook into back loop here, not under both loops of that, and make 1 single crochet. Again, for next stitch, repeat that work. Don't work the next stitch here. Insert the hook here into back loop of stitch of previous row and make 1 back loop only single crochet, and then repeat that work. Make 1 back loop only single crochet into all of middle stitches, insert the hook into back loop of each stitch and complete the single crochet. And now I'm at the end of row 2, and for last stitch I should repeat this work. Make 1 single crochet under both loops, not into back loop. And row 2 is finished. And then I should repeat that row, make 1 chain and turn the work to start row 3 and repeat row 2, 1 single crochet into first stitch under both loops of that and 1 single crochet into back loop of next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And now 1 single crochet under both loops of last stitch. Row 3 is finished. And then we should repeat this row and continue making this row until the length of this band reach the desired circumference. And notice that the number of rows should be a multiple of 3 because of the body of the hat. So I will repeat that row in a multiple of 3 and then I'll come back. Now I have 60 rows of single crochets and my band is ready. And I should join the first row of the band to the last row, put them together and make 1 chain and insert the hook into first stitch from last row and into front stitch from row 1 and yarn over, pull through and pull through this loop on the hook to create 1 slip stitch. Again, go to the next stitch of last row and into front stitch from row 1, join them together with one slip stitch. One more time, go to the next and go to the front stitch from row 1 and make one slip stitch. And continue this work. We should attach each stitch of last row to front stitch from row 1 with slip stitch. I continue this work for each of next stitches. And now this is the last stitch, and I should join that to front stitch from row 1, and the joining is completed. And now turn the work so that these slip stitches are placed into the work inside the hat, and you can see this invisible join. And now my brim is ready. I made one circle with that band, and I should start the body of the hat around this edge. So for making the body of the hat, I should remove the hook and continue the work with larger hook. Make one chain and then one single crochet into this hole at top of joining space here. And now go to the first row of the brim, this row, and insert the hook here under these 2 loops from last stitch of first row here, and hide this tail through the work and make one single crochet. Then go to the next row, the second row of the brim, and insert the hook into this hole. Make one single crochet here and repeat that work. Go to the next row under these 2 loops and make one single crochet. Then make one single crochet at top of next row of the brim into this hole and continue this sequence. We should make one single crochet at top of each row of the brim, and at the end the number of stitches of this round, the first round of the body, should be equal to the number of rows of the brim. Now I'm at the end of round 1 and I have 60 single crochets in total, and I should join with slip stitch into first single crochet and start round 2. Make one chain and one single crochet into same stitch, the first stitch, and then make one half double crochet into same stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook. And after that, make one double crochet into same stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into same stitch, and yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through 2. I have one single crochet, one half double crochet, and one double crochet into same stitch. Then skip next 2 stitches of previous round and go to the next and repeat that work. Make one single crochet, one half double crochet into same stitch, and one double crochet. Again, skip 1 and 2 stitch, go to the next, make one single crochet, one half double crochet into same stitch, and one double crochet into the same stitch. One more time, skip 1 and 2 and make one single crochet into the next, one half double crochet into same stitch, and one double crochet. Skip 1, 2, one single crochet, one half double crochet, and one double crochet into the next, and we should repeat this sequence until the end of the row. Now round 2 is finished, and this is my work at the end of this round. And after the last group, you should skip the last 2 stitches of previous round and make one slip stitch at top of first single crochet here. And now for start next round, round 3, make one chain and turn the work to wrong side of the hat and make next round in opposite direction of previous round. Okay, first make one single crochet and one half double crochet into same stitch, this first single crochet of previous round here. So insert the hook into same stitch, make one single crochet and one half double crochet, and make double crochet into first stitch of 2 rounds below. Here, go down and insert the hook into this space, the base of that single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet, and make 1 double crochet into that. Yarn over, insert the hook into the space here, and pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2, and then go to the next group, skip double crochet and half double crochet here, these 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and go at top of next single crochet, make 1 single crochet here and 1 half double crochet, and then make 1 double crochet into this stitch of 2 rounds below. Here, go down and go to this space, this stitch, the base of this group, and make 1 double crochet into that. Again, skip next 2 stitches of next group, this double crochet and half double crochet, and go to the single crochet of this group, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and then go down and make 1 double crochet into the base of this group here. One more time, skip 1 and 2 stitches of next group, 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet, and go to the next stitch, next single crochet, and make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and then 1 double crochet into base of this group, into this stitch of 2 rounds below. Go down and insert the hook into this stitch and make 1 double crochet, and continue this sequence. Skip next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet into next single crochet, and 1 double crochet into the base of this group from 2 rounds below, and repeat that work until the end. Okay, round 3 is finished, and after last group you should skip the last 2 stitches of previous round and make 1 slip stitch into first single crochet. Now make 1 chain and turn the work to right side. In this round, again, we should work in opposite direction of previous round. Okay, start round 4 from here and make 1 single crochet into same stitch, this first single crochet of previous round, and then make 1 half double crochet, and then make 1 double crochet into base of the first group here. Go down and insert the hook into this space from 2 rounds below and make 1 double crochet. After that, go to next group, skip first 2 stitches of that, this double crochet and this half double crochet, and make 1 single crochet into next single crochet and 1 half double crochet into same stitch, and then make 1 double crochet into base of this group, these 3 stitches. So yarn over, insert the hook into this stitch from 2 rounds below and make 1 double crochet. Again, skip next 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet into this single crochet of previous round, and 1 double crochet into this stitch below this first single crochet from 2 rounds below. This stitch is the base of this group. Make 1 double crochet into that. One more time, skip double crochet, half double crochet, go to the single crochet and make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and then go down and make 1 double crochet into base of this single crochet, and continue this sequence until the end. At the end of round 4, after last repeat, skip last 2 stitches of previous round and make 1 slip stitch at top of first single crochet. And then we should repeat these 2 rounds, round 3 and round 4. At the end of each round, we should make 1 chain and turn the work. And continue this sequence, these 2 rounds, until the height of the hat from here, from the start of the brim, reach the desired size. Okay, I repeated round 3, this round, and round 4, 8 more times. And now the height of my hat is enough, and I should decrease the number of stitches to make the crown of the hat. So without turning the work, make 1 chain and 1 decrease single crochet over first 2 stitches. Insert the hook into front loop of same stitch, the first stitch, and directly go to the next stitch and insert the hook into front loop of that, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. And that's an invisible decrease single crochet. Now repeat that work. Insert the hook into front loop of next stitch and go to the next stitch into front loop of that and make 1 decrease single crochet. Again, go to next 2 stitches into front loop of them and make the next stitch, the next decrease stitch, and repeat that work until the end. At the end, make 1 slip stitch at top of first decrease stitch, make 1 chain, and repeat this round. Make 1 decrease single crochet over first 2 stitches. Again, 1 decrease single crochet over next 2 stitches, and repeat that work. And continue until the end. At the end of this round, the last round, make 1 slip stitch into first decrease single crochet, and now this hole become very small, and I should make 1 chain and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail, and pull this yarn. And after that, you should close this hole with this tail, and at the end attach a pom-pom. And now you can see my beautiful and super easy crochet hat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.